Hi there, I am Ramon here at Water and Wellness. And as normal, we always have our higher consciousness trainings once a month. This month in July, we're having it on the 22nd, this coming Sunday. So we'll be teaching about your higher consciousness, about your vibration, how to go from one vibration to another. And always remember, that's why you are referred to as a person, because the word person is divided into two words. Per means an individual, and son, or S-O-N, that means a sound. So it is the sound that you are emitting. It is your vibration. So everything that we speak and think and feel will manifest into your physical reality, whether you are aware of it or not. Okay? So here we're going to actually teach you specific words you can actually teach and speak and feel and say. Because remember, you are a liquid crystal, like Masaru Emoto did his experiments. When they would speak a word to the water, it would alter its structure. And even if they would just think a word to it, it would alter the structure of the molecules there. So you are totally liquid, you are a person, you are a liquid sound, and that is what we're teaching this Sunday. So come on, join us, and it's $50, 10 a.m. till 12 noon. It'll be fun, you'll learn a lot, and hopefully you'll take some good notes and start using it immediately. Peace to your body, peace to your mind, peace to your soul.